Hi everyone, Markman here, and I hope your day is going well and everything's good in your world. I've got a new video for you today. It's a juicing video, and we're going to use the Champion juicer for this. So let's get started. Here is my mix. Okay, so this is what we're using today. It's the Champion juicer. This actually is a family heirloom from the 70s, believe it or not. It's been out that long, and it is a Champion. It's amazing. It's like the motor from your mother's drying machine from way back. It's unbelievable. Anyhow, that's the juicer, and here's our input set. I've got about 5 stalks of celery, 2.5 cucumbers, which are cut up, a half of a Granny Smith apple, a half of a red pear, and I've got, you can't see it so well, but there is a big thumb-sized piece of ginger root in there. And here is the greens. Okay, so I've got a couple leaves of collards, which are just fantastic to juice. If you haven't juiced them, give them a go. And believe it or not, I've got 4 heads of romaine lettuce in there. Romaine lettuce is great for juicing. It's got a very mild flavor, and it's packed with nutrition. I don't see a lot of people juicing it. Mostly kale and chard and things like that. But next time, throw some romaine in there, and I think you're going to like it. So let's get rolling with the juicing, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's fire up the machine. Okay, so there we go. We're all done. And what did we get? Let's see. I've filtered this. I've got almost 48 ounces of juice. And it is a beautiful looking thing. I'm just going to try a little bit of it now, just to be official. See how it tastes. I imagine it's going to be pretty good. So there's your green juice. Just as I suspected. That romaine is fantastic, and the collard greens just put a little twist on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope everything in your world is great. So until next time, Markman out.